Hello, before you watch this vlog, I got a few things to say. First, I took a little break because I was sick and I spent a lot of time with family, but I assure you I am actually back, and if you can see in the background here, this will give you a little bit of a hint on what we're thinking, on what is coming in like 2 days, I suppose. I'll upload this video in like 2 days. But this video that you're watching is coming out tonight, and actually I did promise someone that the next video I'm gonna be wearing these little pants that I bought. They seem to like it, so I guess we're putting them on. But anyway, the fuck? These are, yeah, I like them. So anyway, I'll let you guys watch this little vlog thing. I made this about like what, three or so weeks ago, but I didn't even know if I was gonna release it, but I just had it in the back of, there was the projects panel, and then I thought, you know what, I need to release it. So that's why I'm filming this little thingy right now, because I got something to say at the end of this video. So make sure to enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys at the end of this. Peace. Guys, I'm looking like a biggest jackass, but we need to clutch through this. Alright, we're at Gongsha right now. Just getting more pro milk tea. Alright guys, we got the Gongcha. Alright, I think we're all good now. We got the Gongcha. Heading off to time zone to Suprise. This is really cringy, but like I'm a vlogger now, so I suppose I just do whatever I'm doing in my life. Alright, now it's gonna be freaking crazy. Fucking sick too, and I'm watching it too. You know how crazy that shit's gonna be? I'm gonna be scared, and like, alright, so we're here with the homies right now. We got Paul, and we got the homie Paul initiating the plan. I don't know why I'm recording this, but I suppose I'm a vlogger now, so I have to include you guys in what I'm doing. But we're here with the homies, and there's more people coming, but it's all good. And what else? Paul, what are we gonna do today? I said, what are we gonna do today? I'm gonna have to I hope it doesn't look like we're stealing anything, because like it's like really easy to steal stuff here, so hopefully it doesn't look like we're stealing anything, because we're not. I'm probably like the last person that should steal something, but holy shit, okay. The thing is, we have to be like extra prepared. What's a vlog this? Hi, what's your name?
Isabel. Hello.
I'm sacrificing my battery.
I don't want to be in this photo. Hello guys.
Alright, so the thing that I wanted to talk to you about is, let's see. I get asked this question a lot, so that's why I thought about making a video. And that's, how do I always stay positive? Now, for me, I feel like that's a legitimate question. How do you always stay positive? And for me, I ask myself, like, I mean, what's the alternative to being positive? And that's being negative, being cynical, being pessimistic, and all that. So that's not really a good way to live your life. So that's why it's really easy for me to when I see that contrast between being positive and being negative. So that's why that always enables me to be positive in every situation that I find myself in, even though my instincts and everything about me just wants to scream and complain and be negative. So I hope that you understand that, and it will help you make your decisions about whether if you want to be negative or be positive, because it's really easy to be negative. It's really easy to captivate and to acknowledge what goes wrong into your life. But that's the mistake that every teenage person makes at least once in their teenage life, because it's really easy to complain about school, to complain about people around you that annoy you. It's really easy to complain about things that happen to you in your life, but it's really hard to really appreciate what goes right in your life. And it's really, that's why I appreciate people who are positive more than I appreciate people who find excuses and find negative aspects in their life. So that's just a little bit of a thought for you, and I hope you guys actually understood that. And obviously I'm taking these in one takes, like I'm legit just like looking at this, I'm talking to the camera whilst this video's rendering, and I feel like I did a pretty good job there, because this is something that's always been angry, that it always pisses me off, because people at school, they always just complain about what's wrong in their lives, like, oh damn bro, I failed this test, my life is over. Like, it does piss me off, because you've got so much things to look forward to, but you're trying to look at something that's bad. You're trying to focus on something that's bad. It's like you want there to be bad in your life, instead of trying to find ways that are good. Like what? I'm asking you, like whoever is watching this, what's something good that happened to you today? What gave you a happy emotion that you're really proud about and that you like experiencing? And if you comment down below something, trust me, you're gonna be wanting to feel that more often, and that's what's gonna set you apart from being your old negative self. Trust me, it's helped so much in my life, in my way of productivity, because I've got so much things to go on with in life. Negativity is not what I need. So I hope you guys just enjoy that I don't know, bits of life advice. And you know what, I'll catch you guys in another video, because I might be in a time constraint. Peace.